Right now, you're taking a live look at Xcel's outage map, which is looking so much better than this weekend, with only 5 outages affecting about 16 customers. This time yesterday, there were still hundreds of customers without power because of the snowstorm. Now, many businesses were among those that had power knocked out. That includes Quince Coffee Shop near Colfax in Quebec.
Yeah, the business telling Denver 7 that the electricity was out for about 12 hours, leading to some big losses.
We lost about $1,000 in sales and inventory. We're highly dependent on dairy and refrigeration. Having to rebuy everything is kind of a pain.
Barista Mikkel Brill says the coffee shop's power finally was restored Saturday night. They're hoping to get a generator to avoid losses if this happens in the future.